I just found out today that there is a source of bitterness on bitter gourd. Hurry up and tell your family. Hello, everybody. This is the ever-changing small kitchen. Let me share with you today tips for removing the source of bitter gourd. After learning it, even if it is a friend who does not like to eat bitter melon, will make you fall in love with eating bitter gourd, then this method. It was also yesterday with our neighbor Ann Wong when we go to the vegetable market to buy bitter gourd together. He taught me. I am especially grateful to him for teaching me this method. In this case, our son doesn't like to eat bitter melon, but make it today. He ate all the big bowl. And I'm going to share that with you today. I also hope to help more friends. Come and follow me to see the specific method. Speaking of bitter gourd, it's our summer vegetable. Bitter gourd often eaten in summer. It is also very good for the body. It also has a good effect of clearing away heat and detoxifying. But we found that although bitter melon has high nutritional value, there are many benefits, but many friends don't like it. And it's not because it's bad or it's not done enough, just because it contains a particularly bitter taste than the bitter gourd we commonly see on the market. Generally, there are two kinds. One is that many of my friends grew noodles at home when they were young. It looks like that rogue toad. The surface is pitted. It's got rougher bumps. It tastes more bitter than the bitter gourd that is commonly found on the market today. The bitterness is more intense. So when we choose bitter gourd, friends who don't like to eat too hard, let's try our best to choose what we often see on the market now. This bitter melon with a darker green color. Its bitterness is called its bitterness. It is much smaller than our bitter gourd. After choosing the right bitter gourd, let's take a look at the specific approach. Put the prepared bitter melon into the basin. Add an appropriate amount of water. Wet the bitter melon well. Then sprinkle a little salt. Scrub the bitter gourd one by one. Bitter gourd grows on bitter gourd vines. Wind and sun all day, and it's prone to worms. And there is a lot of dust and impurities on the surface. Direct cleaning is difficult to clean. Add a handful of salt. It can achieve a disinfection and sterilization effect, even if there are some eggs and bugs on the surface of bitter melon. It can also be removed very well. Clean it up. After scrubbing like this, put the bitter gourd on the cutting board. Cut off the head and tail of bitter gourd, the beginning and end of bitter gourd. It is also an important source of suffering, and the taste is not good. The fiber is particularly coarse, not easy to eat. Then divide the bitter gourd in two from the middle. After cutting the bitter gourd, you can see the flesh in the middle. Melon flesh is also an important source of bitter taste of bitter gourd. It's inedible. Find a spoon to remove the melon soil in the middle. Don't let many friends suffer for bitter gourd. Many friends make bitter gourd, and it's over at this point. No wonder the bitter melon you made is very bitter. In fact, we bitter gourd. It's a great source of its bitterness. It is the white film after removing the melon flesh. That's where most of the bitterness comes from. And this layer doesn't taste good either. So we're going to use a spoon. Remove all the white parts inside as much as possible. The cleaner it is, the better. Like this. The other half is also in the same way. Remove its bitterness. In this way, 5% 60% bitter taste in bitter gourd. It was all removed, and it will taste more crispy. Not so heavy fasta. Then we cut the bitter gourd directly into slices. When cutting, cut it a little thinner. This can also be greatly release the bitterness in the bitter melon. And what? Cut it thinner to make it ripen faster. It looks better. Tastes more delicious. Slices like this in the bowl. After putting it all in the basin, next add a tablespoon of white sugar. The amount of white sugar is prepared according to the amount of bitter gourd. Add another spoonful of salt. Then grab it and mix it well. Let every piece of bitter gourd surface are fully wrapped in sugar and salt. This method is mainly a method of using sand and water. Remove the source of bitterness in bitter gourd. Many friends kill water for bitter gourd. Salt is usually used. Then, just like our pickled radishes, if you only use salt, the taste will be more monotonous. Not as good. Also easy to soften. And add sugar and a little salt to marinate. Not only can the excess source of bitterness in bitter gourd be removed, and it will taste sweeter and more refreshing. And then you take away the bitterness. It also adds a sweet taste to bitter gourd. Grab and mix until the surface of the bitter melon is slightly watered. Tidy it up. Set aside to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. It's time for us to take a look. Now this bitter melon is already pickled. You can see that there is a lot of this green water marinated in it. This green water is the bitter taste in bitter gourd. Now let's pour this water out. Then this bitter melon is not bitter at all. Pour into another bowl now. This is the pickran in bitter gourd. Then add an appropriate amount of water. Wash it once. You can better remove the bitterness in bitter melon. After copying and cleaning, we squeeze the water out of it. The drier you squeeze, the better. Put on plate. Bitter gourd treated in this way. It doesn't taste bitter at all. We don't care if it's for scrambling eggs. The fried meat is very delicious. Next, use this bitter gourd. Let me share with you one. Bitter gourd fried meat is particularly delicious. The prepared ingredients are also very simple. Prepare the bitter melon that has just been processed. Then prepare the cut pork belly. What's next? We also need to prepare a little ginger. Eat ginger in summer. Do you eat radishes in winter? Very healthy. Then prepare a little minced garlic. It's that simple. Here's how it works. Heat the pan. Add a little vegetable oil. You don't need too much oil, just a little bit. Hot pan cold oil. Then pour in the cut pork belly. Stir fry twice. Put the excess oil in the pork belly. Stir fry it. In this way, the fried pork belly will be fat, but not greasy, thin, but not firewood. Stir fry until the surface oil is slightly yellow, just like this now. If it is too stiff, it will not taste good. Then add a little bean paste. If you don't like spicy food, you can put more. Add a little sugar. Correct the salty taste of bean paste. A little dark soy sauce gives the meat a color. Pour all the minced garlic and ginger in and stir fry evenly. The aroma of fried garlic and the aroma of soy sauce. After frying incense, now pour the bitter gourd in. Continue to stir fry twice. Stir fry evenly like this. Season and add a handful of salt because of the bean paste added. So when adding salt, add a small handful of MSG as appropriate. Appropriate amount of light soy sauce. Stir fry evenly over high heat. Just stir fry until tasty because our bitter gourd is raw and can be eaten. So what? You just fry it until it tastes good, but just fry the meat evenly. After stir frying evenly, we can turn off the fire and turn off the range hood. You see, our bitter gourd fried meat is ready. Fried meat with bitter gourd made in this way. It's really delicious, and it doesn't have the slightest bitter taste. If you think my video today, if it helps you, please like it and forward it. You can help more friends around you. Look at this bitter gourd. The color is also very beautiful. Whether it is used for drinking or eating, it is very good. How about today? Mainly shared with you. A way for us to remove the source of bitterness from bitter gourd. And a method of fried meat with bitter gourd. Friends who like it can collect it and have a try. Of course, if you have any other better way, welcome to share your method in the comment area. Let more friends know. Let more people benefit. I am Longer. Click on my avatar. You can watch more exciting videos. Our video will continue to be updated for you. So that's it for our video sharing. Bye-bye in the next video.